Now, there's going to be two of these, and we'll talk about them in a second. Listed on industry directories. Being listed on industry directories essentially means if you're in real estate, if you're in plumbing, if you're in technology of some kind, let's just take real estate, that you're in National Association of Realtors, that you're in Three Best, that you're in UpNest, that you're on Realtor.com, that you're featured in D Magazine directory for real estate brokers. Industry directories is where a bank is going to be looking to see if you are who you say you are. Because remember, the first thing they do is they're verifying your identity. Are you who you say you are? Second thing they're going to do is whether or not they can extend you credit based on your credit worthiness. The third thing they're going to be looking for is if you're approved, what capacity of lending are they going to allow? So first, are you who you say you are? We're looking for an approval. And then third, how much are you going to get? So as we work our way through this list, top left to bottom right, the more of those you get right, you get your approval. Great. Well, I'm sorry, you verify your identity. Great. You get your approval. Great. Now they're looking at how much can they extend you. That's where you get into that bottom right, diversity of deposits and that type of thing. So let's get back over here. So once you're listed in those industry directories, they now know you are an active participant in your industry. That bodes well, makes you look good against the other participants in the market.